Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while, but welcome back. We're back. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I style and install this lace frontal 360, mainly focusing on just that natural look altogether. So if you're interested in how I achieved this amazing look, keep watching. Just a quick background on the wig. So this is an 18-inch 360 lace frontal wig that I have custom colored jet black. After bleaching the roots, I went along and plucked the hairline, trying to create a very natural look. I didn't pluck too much because I know that later on, things tend to, fall out. So this is the wig. Ignore my colouring error. But so it just comes with combs, and yeah, it's a 360. So I went along and I plucked the back of the hair also. This is the amount of hair that actually came out. I didn't pluck too much again. The wig fitted me really well, so I removed the adjustable straps because they tend to fold. In order for the wig to look as natural as possible, I used the stocking cap method and covered it in a foundation my colour. So here's an example of how the wig is looking so far. I like to start off by cutting around both sides of my ears, and just to make sure the wig fits perfectly on the back and all the way around. 10 years bad luck. Don't believe it anyway. I believe in Jesus. Once you are happy with the fit, you can go ahead and cut along your hairline. I like to go in a zigzag shape to make it look natural. First step, prime your hairline with alcohol. In this video, I'll be using Ghost Bond. I've heard many good things about this glue, so I'll just be giving it a go. Let's see how it slays. Excuse my eyebrow pencil, but you can use a white pencil to draw along your hairline where your lace is going to go. I started to apply the glue using the tip and my fingers like a donut. You can find something better to use. I've applied 2 layers all the way around like so. It was very difficult for me to do this. If you can get some help, then do. But for you guys, I was all by myself applying the glue all the way around my hairline and onto some of my hair, which was very silly again. As you can see, the glue is already starting to dry very clearly. I haven't blow dried it or anything, and it's super tacky, ready to melt. Also, if you're interested in coming along to get your hair done, you can find us at 212 Rye Lane, SE15 4NL. What you want to do is make sure that your unit is aligned in the right places. I start off by securing the very front of my hair first, and then the edges, and finally the back. I used a tail comb and then blow dried my hair to make sure it was dry. The parts that haven't stuck down properly, I just went over and applied a little bit more glue and just stuck down those edges. Repeat the same for the back, and we are melting, guys. Ignore all the glue that's on my neck. It was impossible to see the back of my head, but we're looking really good. I'm pleased so far. Here I could have moved the cap a bit further back and maybe fill it in with some makeup. Ignore the crest on my ears. The front has some more drying to do, but the back looks like it is melted, guys. Like, come on. Very happy with this so far. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use some mousse. I used the olive oil wrap set and style mousse. And now you can wrap your edges with a silk scarf or anything that you're happy with. This is what I use. This tissue paper thing. I can't remember the name though, sorry. Anyways, let those baby hairs melt, and it is a very good time to bake the face. Bake that face. Here is a quick look of a bun, close up on the edges. I'm liking it, like what lace. And the back, of course, like the most important part. How are we looking? Looking good. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to be showing you different ways you can like play with your hair. Okay guys, in this video I did my hair myself, so there were some errors. However, if this was on a client, this hair would be laid. With this particular wig, I wanted to go for something that's extremely natural with quite a low density that just sort of looks like my hair maybe relaxed, or maybe my mum and dad are from some exotic country, or you know what I'm trying to say. Now we have the half up, half down as usual. Just having a little play. Cute, no? Also guys, don't forget you can check us out on Instagram at The Boss Look, and follow us on Twitter. Now I've just left in one braid, feeling like this possibly could be a festival look, you know, with the little gold thing at the end of the plait. What are we saying, guys? Remember, you can book your appointment at thebosslook.com or visit us. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell.